Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to perform a hard reset on your AirPod Max. The Apple AirPod Max does have not a lot of function, of course, because they're not so complicated like an iPhone or something else. But it happens because it is an electronic device. If you're going to reset your AirPod Max in case of malfunction, that means if your AirPod Max won't charge or if you restart the issue, reset them to factory settings. For this, we have on the right part of the AirPod Max, we have two buttons. One is the digital crown and one is the button for noise control. Yeah, okay. We have on the opposite side, we have an LED flash indicator. Okay, how we perform this? We press and hold the noise control button and the digital crown for approximately 15 seconds until the LED light emitted diode flash yellow, and after yellow it should be flash white. And if it is white, job's done. You have performed a reset of your AirPod Max. Here you can see we push and hold. First step the orange, then the white flash. Now the restart and the reset of your AirPod Max is in progress. After this, we connect them to our iOS operation system or iPad operation system device, or we connect them to our Mac or other devices too. And of course, they should work after this process again. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.